Welcome to Shrini's kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Curry is a very popular dish made with yogurt and chickpeas flour. Each region in India prepares curry in different style. Today, I'm going to prepare Gujarati Kadhi. Ingredients are besan or chickpeas flour, yogurt, green chili, adjust green chili according to your taste, minced ginger, oil. For tempering, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves, salt, turmeric powder, sugar, asafoetida or hing, and water. In a mixing bowl, add besan or chickpea flour, yogurt, salt, and whisk well till no lumps remain. Add water, mix well, and keep it aside. You can temper the seasoning using ghee or oil. Today, I'm going to use oil. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves, ginger, green chili, asafoetida, and turmeric. Add the prepared curd and besan water mixture. Mix well and bring it to a boil for 2 minutes while stirring it continuously. Reduce the flame and simmer the curry for 10 to 12 minutes while stirring it occasionally. If you want your curry to be thick, then you can add in more besan or reduce the quantity of water. Garnish curry with cilantro. Gujarati curry is ready for serving now. You can serve it hot with rotli, puran poli or khichdi. Today I'm serving Gujarati curry with bajira rotla. I hope you all enjoy this Gujarati Kadhi recipe. Thanks for watching. If you like my channel, like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to receive our updates.